friends, I just built this rabbit pen. Here's how. Hey friends, on the side of the road someone was throwing this playpen away. Now I don't know if it's safe or sanitary for a real baby, but we're going to use the structure to build a little playpen for my pet rabbit. And I got this fencing on Facebook Marketplace. Someone gave it away for free. So these materials are free. The zip ties I'll be using are the only item I paid for. First, I'm gonna cut off the fabric from the frame. I just discovered that this has a zipper door, and that's perfect for putting my rabbit in and out. So I'm gonna keep this side of the fabric. Pretty interesting. That's what that looks like. Nice. Okay, so we have our entrance door and our frame. Next we're gonna put our fencing. Okay, so I started to zip tie there, but I want to zip tie here so that I for sure do it tight enough. Okay, I've got this part and this part. I could cut it here, but then I'd have this gap at the bottom, so I'm gonna keep going. Okay, so I did that. I attached zip ties here. I'm gonna attach this trellis as a roof. I'm attaching my last pieces of fencing to the underside because I don't want the rabbit to be able to get out. And just like that, we are all done.
Well, not forever. If he doesn't like it, we can go and come back next time. Right, Mama?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then he will still be happy. Where is Radisha? He's in here. He needs a bed and food. He needs food, Mama.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye.